You are what I waited for. Oh, you make me touch the sky when I'm down. 'Cause when I'm with you, I'm fine. When you go, I'm sad. I like my...
Good morning everyone from our campsite. Ayan, from our camping area. It's our second morning. Yeah, second morning. It was so cold last night. Sobrang lamig. 40 degrees. Degrees last night. Buti na lang, may space heater kaming dala. So, napaka-cozy sa loob ng tent namin. So, ayan guys. Today, adventure natin is... before, mag-breakfast muna tayo. Luto tayo muna ng breakfast. And then, after that, maybe we will go. Hindi nga ako naghilamos kagabi sa sobrang lamig. Ayan, so today mag-aano tayo. Punta tayo ng beach para kay Bailey. Dog beach. Hindi para sa amin kasi malamig. So, para kay Bailey lang. Ayan, mag-swimming si Bailey. At and then, hindi ko pa alam kung ano ang gagawin namin the rest of the day. Ayan, so luto tayo ng breakfast guys. Okay, breakfast. Enjoy your breakfast, Bunky.
This is Maria's restaurant. It's just a little hole in the wall, but the food is really good.
Another beautiful day. Sun's out. And that is the Don Cesar. That's the pink hotel. You thought it's a cake. It really looks like a cake. That's a very expensive hotel. Very old too. So we are now here in St. Pete Beach. I really like the look of that hotel. This time we are going to the beach. So this is our second day camping and now we're going to the beach. This is Pasagrill Beach. I'm confused between St. Pete Beach. But yeah, it's so pretty here. Beach here in St. Pete. After this we are going to where are we going, babe?
We're going up to St. Pete Beach.
Another St. Pete Beach. And then to Madeira Beach. Remington Beach. And beach. Clearwater Beach. Because guys, here the beach are like not far from each other. There's so many beaches here. That's the good thing here, living here in Florida. There's so many beaches, white sand beaches. You don't have to go, if you live in Florida, you don't need to fly to far places just to be with the good beaches. white sand beaches. This is like Philippines. There's so many white sand beaches. So we're very lucky to be here. So we are gonna be visiting all those beaches. We are not gonna be swimming because it's cold. Okay? Ang lamig! Yeah. Sea critters. This looks like Tin City. This reminds me of Tin City in Naples. Okay guys, lunchtime. We are on our way to Jollibee again. We will really enjoy the Jollibee since we are here. So take advantage of the time and opportunity. Ayan, hindi ako magsasawa sa Jollibee this time, guys. Ayan. Maganda today, walang pila. Ayan, waiting na lang tayo ng order natin. Kasi dun kami ulit sa car kakain kasi andun si Bailey. Okay, today I have 1 piece spicy chicken, 2 burgers, steak, rice, and then this is the gravy. And then fries. And then George will have the chicken sandwich. I got him the deluxe chicken sandwich. Tapos na tayong kumain, guys. Dito pa rin kami sa parking lot ng Jollibee. Papasok tayo ulit dito sa Red Ribbon. Ayan. Bili tayo ulit ng mamon. Maybe this 1 pack na lang siguro. 2, 4, 6, 4, 12, and then 2.29. So, ngayon, nandito kami sa Arrowhead Picnic Park. Ayan, this is one of our favorite picnic park here. Yeah, it's nice. Earlier, there was a dolphin just jumping all over there. Now we are here in Fort DeSoto Beach, north. This is north. There's so many beaches in Fort DeSoto. This is big. Ayan, so this is another beach, guys, in Fort DeSoto. There's so many beaches here, north, east. Yeah, so we are in the North Beach. No dogs allowed. So iwan natin si Bailey doon. Ito yung beach, very white sand, powdery. And look how big this picnic area is over there. With grills, you can grill, bathrooms, shower area. Yeah, this is huge. And papakita ko sa inyo. I'll show you how powdery the sand is. Look at that. It's like powdered milk. Yeah. So it's low tide. So the beach goes all the way there. Yeah, so this is it, Fort DeSoto Beach. One of the beaches here in Fort DeSoto. It's very white, very wide. There are a few people in the beach because it's so cold today. It's cold. There's a photographer there. Yeah, so there's so many wildlife here, like different kinds of birds. So it's nice to take a pictures. Yeah, it's very white. Look at that. Very white. So let's go back to Bailey. So this time Bailey's going to the dog beach. Yes. Okay, second night. No, third night. Correction, third night. We have another fire. And then I'm heating up our dinner here. We have dinners. George got steaks, mash, so I got rice. That's a burger steak left over from Jollibee. So that's our dinner tonight. So guys, I'm gonna end my vlog this time because it's gonna be very long if I'm gonna finish our 4-day camping. To be continued. Tatapusin natin dito. Maraming salamat sa panonood. Thank you so much for watching. Me and Bailey is enjoying the fire that my husband built. He's over there. He's so busy I don't know what he's doing. Yeah, so thank you so much guys for watching. I hope you enjoy camping with us, and I hope you will keep tuning in for, let's say, part 2. Ayan, for our another adventure tomorrow, because we will still be here in the campsite. So we are really having fun. So yeah guys, I'm gonna get back to you soon if makauwi na kami, kasi wala kaming wifi dito guys. And then family time, diba? Right, Bailey? Oh, my puppy Bailey. Bailey the Golden. Ayan, if you haven't subscribed to his channel, please consider subscribing. He is very sweet, right? Yeah, so guys, ayun na. Maraming salamat, and leave your comment down below if what can you say about our adventure here in Fort DeSoto, Florida, St. Petersburg, Tampa Bay area. Kalapit lang kasi yan. So, parang connect lang. So, yan. Keep on watching guys on my next upload. It's still gonna be about camping. So, once again, my name is Maria. Thank you so much for watching. Ayun guys, bye! Nandito na siya sa tabi ko. Mag-i-enjoy na siya sa fire niya. You wanna say bye, babe?
Salamat!
Salamat! Bye-bye! Ayan o. He is so good with his fire. He's the one who built that fire, and he is very proud of that fire. Ayan. Bye guys! Mwah!
You are what I waited for.